I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: fresh mascarpone cheese, rich whipped cream, and a strong coffee brew. You will also need ladyfinger biscuits, which can be homemade or store-bought. Remember to have your mascarpone at room temperature. This ensures a wonderfully smooth and lump-free cream for your dessert. Next, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. In a bowl, gently combine your room temperature mascarpone cheese with about 1/2 cup of sifted icing sugar until smooth. Then, carefully fold in 1 cup of freshly whipped cream, ensuring the mixture remains light and airy. Separately, prepare your coffee soak by mixing 2 tablespoons of coffee powder with 1 cup of water. Now it is time for assembly. Take your ladyfinger biscuits and quickly dip each one into the coffee syrup. Avoid over-soaking to prevent mushiness. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the base of your serving dish. Follow this with a generous, even layer of your prepared mascarpone cream, spreading it smoothly across the biscuits. Continue layering the coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cream until all your ingredients are used, typically forming 2 to 3 layers. For the final touch, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder using a fine mesh sieve. Then, refrigerate your tiramisu for at least 1 hour, or preferably overnight, allowing the flavors to meld and the dessert to set perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.